Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my December thank you notes. I'm using all the shades of red that Stampin' Up sells, at least for the Christmassy colors. So we're using the Poppy Parade, and this is Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, and the Merry Merlot. So let me show you the colors just by themselves so you can see the span of the reds here. Okay, so we got Merry Merlot, Real Red, Poppy Parade, and then the Cherry Cobbler. Aren't they beautiful? And then we're also going to be using the stamp set called Stylish Christmas. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's one of those stamp sets that Stampin' Up is making. It's called Distinctive, and it's a style of the rubber, the way it's carved out. But isn't it beautiful? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to make the Merry Merlot version. So we're going to start with the piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then scored at 4 1/4. And then your Merry Merlot is cut at 4 by 2 1/2, and then a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so we're going to stamp on this little Whisper White piece. We're going to use the Merry Merlot, and we're just going to stamp this flower twice. So we're just going to ink up our stamp, and when you look at it, it doesn't look like it's getting inked up, but it is, trust me. It's just the way the style of the stamp, the way they're making them. It's so beautiful. All right, so we're going to stamp one up here in the corner. Look at that. And then we're going to stamp the other one down below that, and kind of like in the left-hand side. So pretty. And then the greeting, which is also in the Stylish Christmas right here. May the beauty and joy of the season fill your heart. So we're going to stamp this with the early espresso. And we're just going to stamp this right in the center. Let me make sure this is the right way. Stamp that right in the center over top of the flowers. So pretty. All right, now we're going to go ahead and layer these pieces together. Okay, then a couple more things. We're going to add 2 of the clear rhinestones, 1 to each of the center of the flowers. So then one more thing, we're going to add the shimmer paint, which is the Champagne Mist, and I add this with the rubbing alcohol. Y'all know I love this stuff. So we're just going to add shimmer to the whole card, and I'm going to spritz this in the air and then catch it. And of course, it's not going to show up on camera, but it is so beautiful. Okay, so that's the Merry Merlot. This is the Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, and then the Poppy Parade. So those are my December thank you notes. Hope you love them. Okay, I'll have all the items listed below, and then also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.